This is the orange box from 20%.co.za. The phones that you buy from Jack Mabaso come in this box. They are pre-owned devices, exquisite condition. You know if you know. I bought the Xiaomi 15 Ultra from the same website, 20%. Go there to buy your iPhone, your Samsung, any phone that you want to buy, your Huawei, your Xiaomi, your Vivo, your Oppo. Everything is right there. Just go to the website and see the prices. Remarkable. Some people have been asking me about Google Pay, if it works on this device. I hereby confirm that Google Pay actually works on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This is the China variant. It works very well, quicker than Samsung Pay, which I've been using for years on my Galaxy devices. The condition is fantastic. You cannot tell that this phone is a pre-owned device. Everything runs smooth. No need to worry about anything. Check the condition. Beautiful looking phone. This is an actual camera.